Hello, my name is Megan Truick at the Law Office of Brian Fagan, where I practice estate planning, probate, and guardianship. And today I want to talk to you about the marital deduction and how you can use it to maximize the tax savings for your children for your final distributees. So if you're married and you've created a trust and you're happily going on, you and your spouse, you're the trustee, you're the beneficiary, and you're also the trustors. After the first spouse passes away, you have now just one spouse who is a trustee and who is a beneficiary. But how can you use that marital deduction within your trust to make sure that when the second spouse passes away, your final distributees, whether it's your children, gets the ultimate step up in basis to the actual market value when the second spouse passes? That's the caveat. What exactly is that? So when you're married, you have unlimited distributions you can give to the spouse that's alive. So you create the trust. When the first spouse passes away, his entire share of the estate can be passed to that spouse that's alive. So that spouse gets the step up in basis at that time. So the basis is what you paid for the property. So when you're married, you purchase a property for $100,000. When the first spouse passes away, the property is now worth $500,000. The spouse that's alive takes the entire estate at $500,000. And within the trust documents, you have that spouse that's alive have a general power of appointment. So that spouse gets it, they have the general power of appointment, but guess what happens with the general power of appointment? The creditors, the IRS and so forth can attach to that property if that spouse that's alive has any creditors at the end. So what can you do to make sure that you get the ultimate step up in basis? Wherein the first spouse dies, when the second spouse dies, the basis gets stepped up again. You need the general power of appointment. But in order to prevent the creditors from attaching or for stopping someone from forcing that spouse to give them assets to pay creditors or whatever, you want to limit that general power appointment. You're saying, Megan, if it's a general power appointment, how can I limit it? Oh, friend, yes, you can. You can limit it by putting in specific language, telling the person who has a general appointment who they can generally appoint it to. I know, it blew my mind when I realized this. And so if you want to talk more about it, schedule your consultation with us. You can like this video, you can follow me, you can look for more where we can talk more on how you can use the marital deduction, how you can use that general power of appointment, get the step up in basis so that your descendants take the property at that higher basis point, but still limiting your creditors from attaching to the property or forcing the distribution from your trust. Again, my name is Megan Truick. This topic is so exciting to me, and I'm sure if you're watching it, it's because you're interested, and maybe it's also exciting to you. Thank you. Hi, so you are enjoying the Brian Fagan Family Law YouTube channel. Well, you are in luck. We have now launched a brand new YouTube channel that is totally dedicated to estate planning, probate, and guardianship. If you want to hear more and if you want to see more videos, click on the link in the description below and come on over to enjoy total estate planning, probate, and guardianship content. Thank you.